quick. I'm going to be talking about how to clean the inside of your windshield to get that nasty film and a nasty grit that smears all over that everybody hates. I'm going to tell you how to get it off very quick. If you're on the go, you're going to stop at a gas station, you just need to clean the inside of your windshield, the inside of it, and get that stuff off. This right here works great. Spray away glass cleaner. Get it out of most big box stores. So what we're going to do, I'm going to wipe it with microfiber towel. Very simple. I'm going to spray it on. So what I'm doing, I'm allowing it to work. Just let the product do the work for you of breaking it down. So that way all you have to do is wipe it. All right, I'm gonna wipe it. Take it, refold it. Doesn't have to be perfect. Remember, we just want to clean this as quickly as possible. Clean it and go. That's the one that we just used. I'm going to take another dry one. I'm going to do a final wipe. And just like that, the windshield is clean. You can crank up your car, or if it's already running, hit the road. Go ahead and go about your business.